In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kanban board in Trello. A Kanban board is a simple visual way to manage work as it moves from idea to completion. Trello makes this really easy by providing ready-made templates so you can get started in minutes without building a board from scratch. Begin by opening your browser and going to Trello.com. You'll need an account to save your board, and using Trello in a modern browser will give you the best experience. Once you're on the home page, look for the templates option in the top navigation. Click that to open Trello's gallery of pre-built boards. On the templates page, use the search bar and type the word Kanban. This narrows the results to templates specifically designed for Kanban-style workflows. You should see a Kanban template appear among the results. It usually includes classic lists like to-do, doing, and done, along with a few example cards that demonstrate how tasks can flow through the process. Click the Kanban template to open its details. Here you can preview what the board looks like and read a short description of how it's structured. When you're ready to make it your own, click the Use Template button. This tells Trello to create a new board in your account based on that layout. Next, give your board a clear, descriptive title. A good title makes it easy for teammates to recognize the purpose at a glance. For example, include the project name, the team, and perhaps a time frame if that's helpful. Keep it short but specific so it's easy to find later. Now choose a workspace. A workspace in Trello is the home for your boards, members, and settings. Pick the workspace where your team collaborates so everyone who needs access can find the board in one place. If you work solo, you can still place it in your personal workspace to keep things organized. Finally, click Create. Trello will generate your new Kanban board using the templates lists and starter cards. From here, you can immediately begin tailoring it to your needs. Rename lists to match your process, archive any example cards you don't need, and keep the ones that help communicate how the workflow should operate. You'll also be able to add cards for tasks, assign members, set due dates, and apply labels for priorities or categories whenever you're ready. That's it. You've created a Kanban board in Trello using a template, set a clear title, placed it in the right workspace, and you're ready to manage your work visually and efficiently.